Welcome friends, this is Umarani Purushothaman and inviting you to my research paper. Okay, so now I think this is high time I tell you what is meant by predatory journals. As I told you, many publishers, they are saying that it is indexed journal or listed journal, but they are cheating us. So we should not fall prey for them. And as I am telling you again and again, please, don't waste your hard-earned money in publishing is such predatory journals. So I will tell you, I told you like previous how you have to check the predatory journal or not. Now I will tell you what is meant by predatory journal. It is nothing but, in a simple word, fake journal. They are not indexed or listed journal. Simply they will tell you they are all coming under Elsewhere or Springer, something they will say, but it doesn't come under all those publishers. It doesn't come. So they are all fake journals, and there is no transparency also in these journals. Okay, and they are not reviewed properly. Normally when we send our journal to Scopus, they will send it to the experts and they will see and they will correct mistakes, and again they will ask us to recorrect, and then only they will publish. Unless that corrections is made, it cannot be published. So but here in the case of predatory, there is no peer review at all, no editorial board. Okay, and they are not maintaining any standards mentioned by UGC. Okay, and here anytime they will take up the journal from the list. So maybe I will publish now, and after next to another 2 months, the journal would have been removed from the list. So what is the point in publishing? Nobody will recognize that. So I am telling you friends, please be very careful. It can be unavailable at any time. In the sense, if you check in the Scopus, the journal will not be there. It is removed, they will say. So don't do such mistakes. And in India especially, if you see, many people are publishing in such predatory journals. There are more than 5,000 predatory journals which are publishing and cheating the people like academicians like us. So please be very careful, because when you publish in such journals, your reputation will be spoiled. So as a PhD scholar, your reputation is spoiled, your supervisor reputation also will get spoiled. So do not publish in such journals. I will just give you another explanation again. Predatory journals, they are publishing. Of course you have to pay fees for that. They are minimum, they are charging 10,000 to 12,000 to 15,000, and here they are not peer reviewed, which means expertise people are not going through your article, and there is no editorial board also. They do not follow the proper academic standards mentioned by UGC, and they are all fake journals. They are called as Cabell's blacklist journals. There is no quality here, and the predatory journals have no transparency, okay, about their location, about the fees, nothing they will say clearly. Paper published here is unavailable, which means that will any time be removed from the Scopus list. These journals are not listed journals. In India, many people are publishing, and more than 1,000 publishers are doing these publications. So scholars' reputation will be spoiled by publishing in such journals. So friends, please be very careful when you are doing a publication. Check whether it is coming under this predatory journal. As I told you, beallslist.net, if you just check in the website itself, that will give you all the thousands, as I told you, thousands of publishers' name will be there. Don't please publish in those journals. Be very careful, because our hard-earned money should not become a waste. So see that you are publishing in some reputed journals. As I already told you, first you select that UGC CARE or Springer or yes, LN, all that names, whatever I said, you can just go through, and then find out whether it is really like worth or not. After finding that, then if you go for publication, we are in the safe side. So with that, I think I'll wind up today and meet you again friends. Thank you.